South Carolina, northwest of Newport County in central South Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Traer Island State Park, or 10 miles west of Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The following Hannah and George abated 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lexington, Irmo, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Oak Grove, St. Andrews, Traer Island State Park, Valentini, Chapin, Cedar Grove Fire Station, South Shore Marina, Oswald Park, Bundrick Island, Putnam's Landing, White Rock, Rocky Point Recreation Area, Hollow Creek Public Park, Melvin Park, Seven Oaks, and Lighthouse Marina. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 in South Carolina, 59 and 63. Interstate 26 between mile markers 91 and 105.